Audi key. Got my Audi key. Comment down below early beforehand who is gonna win in the race. Me or the McLaren? Who do you think is gonna win the race? So help me if anyone comments McLaren. Oh, I'll tell you what! For reference, this is a 900 horsepower McLaren versus my twin turbo Lamborghini, and I will be running on just 91 pump gas to make it fair. That is so loud.
Really?
So loud. What are we doing today?
We're racing, baby.
We're racing. What's gonna win? What's winning? Goddamn right. That's right. I'm gonna take off hard, and I'm gonna try and pull away quick so I can shift into second. And I wanna get up to. Even if we can just get up to like 30 miles an hour
you
quickly.
need to just have the window down, have Johnny, I'll have my window down. Johnny said, you know, go, because I don't want to jump you, but I'm just saying, let's do it. Yeah, because we want to get going. We don't want to spend 50 yards.
No, we're not.
Doing what
No, we're not.
doing.
So just pace me, and then I'm gonna tell him to tell you 1, 2, 3, and then we'll go.
So we'll back up. We'll start going. How fast are you gonna try to get taken off?
I just want to get in second gear, and I won't be in boost probably, so you'll be able to get ahead of me for a little bit before I build boost, and then hopefully reel you in. When I say good, you give them the yell out 1, 2, 3. Johnny's gonna do the 1, 2, 3. He's gonna yell it. Yeah. Give it to him. 1, 2, 3. Smell it.
What was it?
I don't know.
170?
I'm gonna say 160.
Oh, man! That Lambo is fast.
Okay, we're good? Take that to dinner, baby! Take that McLaren, sell it! Go ahead and sell that McLaren! Woo! Wow. We let him get out. We let him take a good jump on it.
No, that was a huge jump.
We let him take a good jump on
That was a huge...
Wow, what a race! That was incredible!
There will be more coming soon, more videos being made. I'm gonna be trying to be pretty consistent with doing these every week or so, every other week, trying to do a new vlog. So if you could, please like and subscribe. It helps out a ton. I appreciate the support, and I want to keep pushing out better and better content for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys for the next adventure.